Stop struggling with English. Watch this till the end to speak confidently like a UK professional. Hi, good morning everyone. I don't know. I always mess up when I try to speak English.
Good morning, James. The problem isn't your English, it's your mindset.
I don't know. I always mess up when I try to speak English.
The problem isn't your English, James, it's your mindset. Never say I can't. Say I'm learning. Words shape your brain. I can't blocks your mind. I'm learning opens the door to growth.
So, instead of I can't speak English, I should say?
I'm learning to speak English confidently. That small change can completely transform how you think and speak. When you meet someone new, try, "Hello, I'm James. I'm learning English and excited to practice." Notice how polite and confident it sounds.
That's simple. I can do that.
Exactly. Practice daily, and you'll notice huge improvements. Words have power. Speak English like a learner, think like a leader. I'm ready. I'm learning English, like a leader. Like, share, subscribe, watch the next video for more English tips. EliteMind Studio, where English meets power.